In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook birthdays to your Google Calendar. As some of you may know, Facebook once offered a handy export birthdays feature, but unfortunately, this option is no longer available. However, don't worry because I've got an updated method that will help you transfer those important dates to your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss a friend's birthday again. Now, to achieve this, we will need to use a third-party tool or browser extension. There are several options available for this, like Facebook Calendar Sync or FB Feed. These tools are designed to generate a .ics file, which is essentially a digital file format used to store calendar information. Once you've selected your preferred tool, be sure to follow its specific instructions to smoothly download the .ics file containing your Facebook birthdays. Once you've downloaded the .ics file to your computer, the next step is to import it into Google Calendar. To do this, head over to your Google Calendar via a web browser on your computer. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon, which stands for Settings. Click on this icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look to the left side of your screen and click on Import and Export. Under the Import section here, you'll find an option to select a file from your computer. Click on this and then navigate to where your Facebook.ics file is saved on your computer. Select that file and you'll be prompted to choose which calendar you'd like to import these birthdays into. This could be your main calendar, or if you prefer, you can create a new calendar specifically for birthdays. Once you've made your selection, simply click Import and you're all set. Your Google Calendar will now include your Facebook friends' birthdays. It's important to note that this method will import the birthdays just once and doesn't provide automatic syncing with Facebook. So if any birthdays change or you add new friends, you'll need to repeat this process and re-export and import the file to keep everything up to date. If you're interested in having an automatically updated calendar, you'll need to find the .ics link or URL, not just the file, but that's a different process altogether. I hope you found this information helpful and that it makes managing your friends' birthday notifications so much easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips like this.